Today we're going to be reviewing this awesome RGB door sill protector for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. The installation is really easy and I think they stand out and make my car look different and really unique. We got this product from Hansshow, and for a limited time you can use my discount code SHIVATESLA to get 25% off. Later in the video I'll show you how to order this product and how to put that discount code. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button to see more Tesla accessories like this in the future. We cover lots and lots of Tesla accessories for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. This is the unit we installed earlier in the year where it has that same color. It's just that white LED versus now we got multicolor LEDs. You can just change color based on your car or just leave this with a rainbow effect and it looks really, really cool. To prep the area, go ahead and use the alcohol wipes that they send you with the kit and make sure this part is really clean, free of dust. Then go ahead and remove this 3M adhesive from the back of the unit. So there are 4 areas where you need to remove the adhesive. And then all you have to do is align right here and then place this in. And then just push it down to make sure that it is securely in place. One thing to keep in mind is don't remove that plastic from outside where you have this little magnet piece just sitting right here somewhere. Don't remove that quite yet because we're gonna have to install this first. Next, grab this rubber hoop that has adhesive on one side and place it through this foam so that the side with the adhesive faces towards the top. It won't stick on the bottom, but it just needs to sit within that foam piece on the top of the door sill protector. Next, go ahead and close the door. When you open the door, that rubber piece will be gone. It is now stuck underneath the door panel. Next, grab that little magnet piece and remove the back adhesive cover. Keep in mind this piece is really small, as you can tell by comparing with my fingers in this footage. We need to install this piece inside the hoop that is underneath the door panel. Just place it inside the hoop and push it up to secure the magnetic piece. So how this works is that the magnet that we just installed right here, so it is inside that foam, is the magnet. When that comes and makes a contact right here, it actually should turn off the light. So it should be turning that one off. But then when the magnet comes out and loses that contact right there, that's when the light turns on. That's when you want your door sill to be turned on. So again, when the magnet is there, it turns it off, you remove it, then it turns it on. So that is how it activates and deactivates, right? So that when the door is open, that is why it is only on when the door is open, not when the door is closed, because your magnet would be sitting right here to turn that door off. So there is some kind of a sensor, the magnetic sensor underneath there, that turns off, and then when you remove it, that is when the power turns on again. If you look at it right now, it is sorting through different colors. That is how it will come as a default. It's a rainbow color pattern. So there is green, there is red, there is blue, different colors that you can see. And if you want to leave it like that, that's fine. It will just appear like that when you open the door. It cycles through different color. But if you'd like to keep it in one color, let's say for us, our car is red. So if you wanted to keep it in red or if you want to keep it in blue, all you have to do is bring this magnet. They send you an extra magnet. So what you have to do is leave this magnet somewhere here, and then when it is changing the color, just remove that magnet from that position. So let's say if we want to keep it at red, we just remove the magnet and it will hold that color. So right now it's red color. And if we want a different color again, we just have to bring that magnet close and just hold that in that position right there, and it cycles through different colors. So then we can just change the color and then just whatever color we want, we can hold it to that color. So green, that's it. Now it is green. So every time you close the door and you open it, the green color is what you are going to get. Let's move to the back. The installation is slightly different here because there isn't an existing door sill protector in the back. The back space is also slightly curved, so you will have to find a flat space here. This isn't hard though. You can just slide the door sill protector around and you will feel that flat space.
To mark that space, you can simply use some painter's tape on each side. This isn't mandatory, but it helps mark down that flat space since you won't be able to slide the door sill protector after you remove the adhesive cover. Go ahead and remove the adhesive cover from both sides in the back. Place the door sill protector on the marked area and push it down. Similar to the front, grab this hook and place it around the circular foam tab facing the adhesive side up. Close the door, and when you open it, that piece will no longer be on top of the door sill and will now be attached to the bottom door panel. Take the little magnet piece and remove the adhesive cover. Place the magnet piece inside the adhesive hook part and push it to secure it. Remove the plastic wrapping from the top to finish the installation.
This is what the rear one looks like with the RGB lights. Super bright and awesome lights. As you can see, it really illuminates your door sill.
So we went from this in the front to this new look, and this in the back to this new look. The lights are on a timer and last 30 seconds each time you open the door. This is great to preserve the battery.
So a common question that I get on these products is, what do you do when the battery runs out? And that's the biggest design flaw. And I was hoping that they would fix this on version 2, which is, this product, but they didn't. And how the system works is you got 2 coin cell batteries right here and right here that you have to replace when the battery runs out. But they last you a long time. Last time they only had 1 battery on each side. And even then, I've been using it, for almost a year, and the batteries is still good. So it's not a hassle in that sense that it doesn't run out quickly. But my recommendation from last time was to put a rechargeable battery and probably put a charging port somewhere here so that you can just plug in a USB-C or something to charge it. But it looks like the version 2 doesn't have that either. But it's pretty easy. You just have to remove this, and to remove that you have to loosen this glue. There's 4 areas where we put the 3M adhesive. You can use a heat tool, or if you just apply some pressure, it'll come out. And they do send you some extra 3M adhesive. At least in my packaging, there was some extra 3M adhesive this time around. And that's the recommendation I made last time, was to send extra this pieces, the 3M adhesive, so that when you remove to replace the battery, you're able to do that. But again, this is very inexpensive. You can get it in Amazon. And then the batteries are also very inexpensive. But to remove the battery, you just have to use like a pry tool or something, and then just pry this part out. And they did put some glue here this time. And as you can see, the coin cell battery just resides right here. This is a CR2032. So you can just install that battery when you need it, when yours run out. And then to cover it, again, put some 3M adhesive here, and then just secure this piece again. We got this product from Hansshow, and if you have been following our channel for a while now, we have reviewed over 50 accessories from Hansshow within the last 2 years. They always make very high quality products, and again, lots and lots of product we have reviewed in the past and we are going to review in the future. Right now though, for a limited time, Hansshow is increasing our discount code Shiva Tesla to 25% off. So if you have been wanting to jump in on any accessories, now is the right time. This is the highest I have seen that code go up. So 25% off, huge discount. Going back to the illuminated door sill, this is the version 2 of their product. The version 1 where there was only a white light. So no RGB color, only a white light. And then this is a version 2 where you get different rainbow effect. You can personalize it for whatever color you want. There's a couple of different options that you can get. You can get carbon fiber pattern, you can get silver pattern, and you can get black pattern. And right here, there is an option here where it says with battery and without battery. And the biggest difference is the shipping method. With battery, they aren't allowed to ship through FedEx. It gives them a lot of trouble. So if you opt in to just get the kit without the battery, and batteries are very inexpensive, you can get these batteries for really cheap in Amazon, then you can get your kit a lot faster. You can get it in 5 to 7 days, versus if you opt in to ship it with the battery, then it goes to the normal shipping days. I think they ship it through the sea, and that is 15 to 20 days. So just keep that in mind when you're making your selection. Very easy, Model 3 or Model Y. Don't be alarmed with that cost yet, because if you put this in the cart, this is where if you go to checkout and if you hit the code right here, if you put Shiva Tesla, then you get $42 discount, then it becomes $126, and I think this product is really great for that price. Overall, I think this is a great product and makes my car stand out. The color option on this version 2 allows me to further personalize my car. I also like that they offer carbon fiber option instead of just the silver and black in the version 1. I do wish the battery was rechargeable without removing the door sill, but it is very easy process to replace those batteries. What are your thoughts about this product? Would you get it for your Tesla? Please let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching this video and your support to the channel. I'll be back again with another cool Tesla accessory.